Hey guys, so in this video, I'm going to walk you through how to use the Desmos calculator to solve a system of equations. As you saw in the last two sections of the skill up, you can solve a system by using substitution or elimination or by graphing by hand. But on the SAT, they allow you to use this Desmos graphing calculator for every single question, and it's honestly a great tool that makes solving these a lot more simple. So here's one, number 11, y equals 76. Y equals x squared minus 5. It says the graphs of the given equations in the xy plane intersect at the point xy. What is the possible value of x? So I want to find where these two graphs intersect. One is linear and one is quadratic. So this is one that might stump me a little bit as I go to solve it. So I'm going to just enter these equations into the Desmos calculator as they are written. If you don't know where the squared button is, you can open up the keyboard, make it x squared minus 5. And as you can see, I can't see these graphs on my screen right now, so I need to scroll in order to find them. So I'm going to zoom out. Oh, now I can start seeing them and pull up, right? And when I click close to the point of intersection, it will give me the point. So I have one at negative 9, 76, and one at 9, 76. So I simply am just looking for the x value, so negative 9 or 9, and I see b is negative 9, so there is my answer, right? That may be faster for you to solve it algebraically. It may be faster for you to graph it on the Desmos calculator, whatever is easiest for you. I'm going to go ahead and do one more. This is number 21, so here's my system. Y equals 4x plus 1, and 4y equals 15x minus 8. So the solution to the given system of equations is xy. What is the value of x minus y? It's really important we still read the question even when we see a system, because they don't always ask you for x or for y or for the whole point x comma y. Sometimes they ask you for x minus y or x plus y. So you have to be careful when putting in your solution. So for this one, I could solve it by using substitution. I do have y equals in the first equation, or I can plug it into the Desmos calculator. One of the common misconceptions of using this calculator is that, such as your TI-84 calculator, you need to solve both equations for y in order to enter them. That is not true in the Desmos calculator. I can simply type in my equations the way they're given to me, and the lines will appear. So 4y equals 15x minus 8. No problem. I can see 2 points here. I think maybe that's my point of intersection because the graphs look close. But as I click on them, I see 0 and 0 for x and y. So it also highlights the point. And as I zoom in, I can see the graphs are not touching there, right? Those are just the x and y intercepts, which will also pop up on Desmos. If I scroll down, the lines are getting closer, I can see. Now I see, okay, something changes here. So again, I'm going to click close to where I think it is, and the point of intersection will pop up. So it's at negative 12, negative 47, and I remember I need to subtract those to get my answer. So I'm going to put it in parentheses, negative 12 minus parentheses negative 47, just because I have negatives there. So I'm putting the parentheses, and I get positive 35. So as you can see, the Desmos calculator is a very simple way to solve a systems of equations when you're doing it on the SAT. Almost feels like cheating, that's how easy it is, but the SAT does allow you to use the calculator for every single question, so make sure you use those tools to your advantage.